Drum roll, please. We have got the results of the 7 on Your Sidelines High School Game of the Week.
Tom Lydon joins us now with who the winner is. Tom?
Can you believe it's here already? That's the big question. Incredible. High school football. You spoke with your votes. We've heeded the call. We kick off the season with a battle between Walled Lake Central and Canton. Canton went through last year's regular season undefeated. Walled Lake Central hoping to pull off a little upset on the road tonight to start the year. Our Brad Galley is live in Canton with more on our Meijer High School Football Game of the Week for Week 1. Brad.
Yeah, Walled Lake Central comes into this game as slight underdogs, but that's not saying too much considering both of these powerhouse teams are ranked in the state's top 20. Now, the Vikings are going to rely heavily this season on their quarterback, Zach Lineback, who is facing an emotional night tonight. He lost his father in June and steps onto the football field for the first time since losing his biggest fan. And joining me right now is someone who knows Zach very well, his head coach, Bob Meijer at Walled Lake Central. And, Coach, we talked earlier today about the character that Zach has on the field and off the field. Obviously, this is going to play a toll on him and in his mind, but how much confidence do you have in your quarterback leading your team tonight?
You know, we have confidence as a coaching staff. Our football program has confidence in him. He's our captain. But all of Walled Lake Central, the whole community, has faith in Zach Lineback. He's a special player. He has overcome a lot in his life, and he's going to show it tonight that how much he loves his community that loves him too.
Emotional night, no doubt. He was a part of a group last season that helped you look pretty good. Winning the first regional championship this school has ever accomplished. What's the bar now? Is it the ultimate state championship goal, or are you taking it one game at a time?
Well, one game at a time, but our goal is just to extend last season and finish the dream that we didn't quite accomplish last year. And Zach was a huge part of that. I mean, 24 touchdowns, 1,000 yards rushing, and 700 yards passing. He's a special player.
How much are you looking forward to seeing him on the field in his own element tonight?
This is going to be a very memorable night, a great night, and tear in my eye and a lot of other people too.
Coach, best of luck to you. Look forward to watching you.
On.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You heard from the visiting team. We'll check in with the home team, Canton, later on at 6 o'clock. Reporting live from Canton, Brad Galley, Channel 7 Sports.
Okay, the stage is set. The Vikings and Chiefs are Meijer High School Football Game of the Week for Week 1. Thanks, Brad. Kickoff slated for 7 p.m. Highlights for you tonight at 11, along with highlights from 2 other games at the Big Day Prep Showdown in Ypsilanti. So it's going. High school football, ready or not, it's here. It starts tonight.
Love it, love it.
It's going to be great. Thank you.